Hi everybody, Jody, Marketplace Boutique, and today I'm going to show you how to embed your YouTube videos into your eBay pages. So here we have YouTube, and if you go down and hit the share button, it's going to give you a link. Copy that link. Then you're going to go onto eBay and find the listing that you want to put it in. And here is the one. Okay, so we have this listing ready. Then you want to go over to the site. Now, I don't know how to pronounce this, so I'll just spell it for you. It's isdntek.com. YouTube Converter, you can just search that too, and it will pop up, or just look at the screen and copy that. Then you're going to take your code that you just copied, and you're going to paste it into this screen here. Click Make My Code. Now this is the code that it's going to give you in a little preview down below. If you're familiar with HTML, you're all set, but it's really pretty easy. Back in the day with eBay, I used to have to make my own code to make a listing and host my own videos, so this should be pretty easy. It's really not that hard. So you're going to want to copy all this, select all, copy, go onto your listing, revise. Okay, so go down. My computer's very slow. I did buy a new one, but I hate new computers. So, we're still playing with the old one. I really hate change sometimes. Okay, go to your HTML tab right here. Click this. Okay, so here's your HTML code that makes up your listing. I have templates in here, but you don't have to use a template. Just go all the way down. I would add another space or two, or whatever you want to do. Whatever makes it easy for you. Click in the box and then paste. Click the standard button. And then if you go all the way down, you will see your listing embedded in your eBay pages. And it makes it really fun. So then let's go down and save this. And if you click on your listing, okay, so here's the listing. And just go down, and there it is. There is your eBay video from YouTube. And if you click on the video, it'll take you to YouTube. Now this is just a music box that I had, and I thought, well, that'd be nice to have sound in it. There. And then just a little tip at the end. I would put an end cap at the end just to remind people that they can subscribe to you. And that's another good way to push people from eBay over to your YouTube page without having to pay any kind of marketing, any kind of promotional costs. It's free, so that's awesome. And I like that people can hear what they're buying before they buy it. I think that's really neat. Okay, so I hope this helps. I hope you have an awesome day. If you have any questions, I'm happy to help. Have a good day. Bye.